Hello everyone, welcome to another episode. Today I will share with you new ESP32 project. This is Arduino-based Snake Game, fully open source, easy to build. Let's begin. Before continuous, like and share this video, and make you sure hit that subscribe button.
I want to be a few years make a portable mini-game console. With this wish, I started researching on YouTube. I found a lot of different emulator, NES, CAT, Pico, or Arduino, etc. But some of them removed, canceled, or needed a special dev board for application. So I asked myself, why I build from scratch? In this, I show only first prototype, so I designed on Breadboard. For now, it like a board game. Let's start with review. What I used inside.
ESP32S3 development board for a microcontroller. ILI9341 TFT display. 4 tactile button, 1 passive buzzer, jumper cables, and breadboard.
Continuous with wiring. First step, I place it development board. I used ESP32S3 development board. This board not fit one bread fret using 2 sides, so that I used one side of free GPIO pins. After we are going with ILI9341 TFT display. VCC pin goes to 3.3 volts, GND pin goes to GND, CS pin goes to GPIO 4, reset pin goes to GPIO 9, DC pin goes to GPIO 15, MOSI pin goes to GPIO 11, SCK pin goes to GPIO 12, LED pin goes to 3.3 volts, MISO pin goes to GPIO 13. I didn't use touch control in this project, so I don't need to connect touch IC pins. Next step, buttons. That means controls.
Place it all buttons like this. Also, I used input pull-up method that give us not need use a pull-up resistor. Up button one leg goes to GPIO 16, other one goes to GND. Down button, one leg goes to GPIO 17, other one goes to GND. Left button, one leg goes to GPIO 18, other one goes to GND. Right button, one leg goes to GPIO 8, other one goes to GND. And last component, buzzer. Positive leg goes to GPIO 14, negative leg goes to GND. Wiring section is complete. Buttons are not easily reachable. Now it's much better. Next step is code section. Source file released on my GitHub. Go check out link in description. You must be installed ESP32 board on Arduino IDE. If you don't, go to the link, copied that line, after turn back to Arduino IDE. Open Preferences, click that area, paste it in here you copied, click OK, and close. Go to the board section from left on the Arduino IDE. Write in search ESP32. Find this and click to install. It's take a while. We'll be patient. Now continues with script. I used TFT SPI library for ILI9341 if you don't installed. Go to the library section from left on Arduino IDE. Write in search TFT_ESPI. Find that and click to install. Now we need to configure library for own setup. Go to the library installed location. Documents, Arduino, Libraries. Scroll to find TFT_ESPI. Open that folder. And first, click and open User Setup Select with VS Code, Notepad, or another compiler. Must be uncomment this line. Rest of them commented. Save and close. And secondly, open User Setup. In this script, main configuration place. Select TFT driver. Select color order. Select screen resolution. Set your pin configuration like this. And last of them, exactly like this. Save and close. If you want to learn more detail about this library and display, go check out this tutorial, link in description. Turn back to code. Actually, you don't need to change anything in here. This version playable with portrait mode. If you want to play landscape, you need to change something. First, redefine screen H and screen W, 240 to 320, 320 to 240. After, scroll to void setup. Change set rotation to 1 or 3. They are landscape modes. That all. Go to the tools, set your board configuration. First your board, after write COM port, and rest of them exactly same. Click to install. Code section is complete. As you can see, ESP32-based Snake Game is working pretty good. Scoreboard on the top. When I collect the gem, came with sound response. And when I hit the wall, game end, playing different sound. Also, every 100 point, snake speed increases faster than before. If you enjoyed that project, subscribe my channel, share and like this video to support me. See you another episode. Bye.
I can't wait to kick it with you. I just wanna spend the whole night. I can't wait to kick it with you. I just wanna spend the whole night with you. I don't wanna think about you. I'm done with you. I'm done with you. I'm done with you. It was for tonight.